Hi guys, guess why we are here? We are here to draw the winners of the ArmorAll 7 kit, the car care kits contest. Now, there was plenty of participation and quite a few right answers. And thank you very much to everyone for participating. Hi Claire.
Hey Sudeep.
And everyone else.
And everyone else.
Now what we're going to do now is we're going to put all those right answers into this little Ramadan gift tub. Good luck, guys. Ahmad Riaz, Mr. Rakesh, Abdul Nawaz. This is the last one. There are 4. The last one will be Ayush.
Last one.
Seriously? Altaz Ali. All right. Congratulations, guys. So for those of you who don't know what exactly the gift is, a 7-piece car care kit, a valeting kit, right from a wash and wax, center protectant, glass cleaner, and 4 more. So these holidays, be good to your car and keep feeding in the right answers, because the story doesn't end here. It goes on to the bumper prize and all the names are going to go in here. So it's really been a generous Ramadan and an even more generous Eid to look forward to. And for all that, thank you ArmorAll, thank you Claire.